Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. So in today's video we are going to learn how we can paint a beautiful greeting card for Christmas, and we are going to paint some Christmas ornaments, ribbon bows and different other elements. I'm using this size 9 round brush. You can use whatever brush you feel okay with based on your element size and shape. We have already learned how we can draw different kind of bulbs, different kind of ribbon bows and different other elements for Christmas. So if you want, you can refer to those video and learn how we can draw it, but I'm doing it directly without drawing anything. So let's start. So I'm painting one ribbon bow here with the help of red color, and I'm using only tip of my brush to create some fold kind of structure in the ribbon bow. Something like this you can create on both the side, left and right, with the help of tip of your brush, or you can use a smaller brush as well for these kind of things. And then hold your brush little tilted and create the base of the bows. So I'm doing it with the one stroke technique. You might end up having rough edges like mine, but it's totally fine. So both the side, as you can see, we have rough edges, so make it little smoother. This is easiest way to paint a ribbon bow. I have shown you different varieties of ribbon bow in my drawing tutorial, so you can create any one of them in this particular painting. And create one more structure at the top. So I'm creating a leaf kind of shape, applying little pressure into my brush and moving my brush towards left and right to create this kind of structure. So you need to understand how much pressure you need into your brush and in which direction you want to move your brush. And likewise, I can also create the tail of the bows. So I'm creating 3 tails here for now. And if you want, you can modify the structure based on your need. So I think I should add one more structure at the base. So I'm creating this structure at the base, having fine negative space between those two structure. And then you can add a little bit of light shade of red color into the folded pattern. And we are done with the bow. Later on you can add some metallic color into it if you want to get some shiny effect. Otherwise it's totally optional to use metallic colors. Now let's create bubbles, or you can call it Christmas ornaments as well. So I'm going to create 2 bubbles here, and you can use normal bottle cap or any round object to create bubbles, or else you can use some equipment. You can use rounder to draw it. And it's not necessary to create only basic bubbles structure like round kind of shape. There are varieties of bubble shape that we have. I have already shown you in my drawing video how we can draw these bubbles, so you can utilize those bubbles structure as well to modify the greeting card. Now I'm creating one bubble in the behind, so half part is hidden from the front bubble, and then you can create the rope. Now with the help of blue color and one stroke technique, create some flowers around the edges. Remember, these flowers should be half, like it should look like half part of the flower is hidden at behind the bubble. If you create flower in the center, you will not able to get that round perspective into your painting. So try to create flowers around the edges and make it half, so that it should look like half flower is hidden. So I'm creating multiple flowers with the help of blue color here and there. So I have created 2 blue flowers in each bubble, that too around the corner, around the edges. and then you can add ovary of the flower with the help of black color. So for the blue flower I'm going to use black color to create ovaries. So create a little dot with the help of black color, then smaller dot around that bigger dot to create something like this. These flowers are very small in size, but sometimes these kind of detailing is important. Now you can create more flowers with the help of different colors. So I'm using this orange color and I'm creating similar kind of flowers, but again around the edges only. I'm not creating in the center. So I'm creating one orange flower in both the bubbles. So two blue flower and one orange flower each. And then you can create ovary with the help of red color. Now we need some other elements as well. So I'm using green color to create some leaves. I'm creating small leaves with the help of only 1/3 of my brush. So you can use bigger brush and create smaller elements as well based on how much pressure you are applying into your brush. So I'm creating number of leaves around the flower here and there. Make sure you are not going beyond the circle, otherwise you will end up losing the bubble effect. And then you can use different shades of green to add some more leaves into it, or you can add other elements as well. If you like to add some berries, you can add those. If you want to create some different kind of leaves, you can add those kind of structure. But I'm keeping the middle section blank or negative, so do not fill or do not overdo it. And I think this much is enough. We can add small berries also, because it's time for Christmas. Then why not, we can add some berries in the bubbles. So I'm adding berries kind of structure in between these flowers and leaves. And then you can create the rope with the help of maybe black color, red color, or whatever color you like to use. Now we are done with the bow, we are done with the bubble. You can keep your painting like this only, it's also looking very nice, but you can add some other elements as well into it. So I'm thinking to add some pine leaves. So I'm creating 3 pine leaves in left, right and center with the help of sap green color. First I'm creating these spikes to create pine leaves with the help of tip of my brush. So this is my first color. Then you can use different shades of green to make it little bushier. So I am adding yellow green color, and then you can use deep green also. So I'm repeating the same kind of thing but using different color into it to make it little bushier, and I think it's looking nice now. So we are done with the pine leaves as well. Now you can add different other kind of leaves also. So with the help of blue color I'm adding 2 stroke leaves like this. Color choice is totally up to you. We can add some more leaves with the help of green color. So I have mixed sap green and little bit of yellow and adding these 1 stroke leaves here and there. Composition is totally up to you. How much element you need into your bow area is totally up to you. You can keep only bow, you can define your bubble structure, and then you can write some message also if you want to. So I'm writing Merry Christmas here. You can write anything, whatever you like to. And we're done with today's video. Hope you have liked this video, learned something from it. You can create your own greeting card based on inspiration that you can take from this particular greeting card, and Please do let me know if you guys have any feedback for me, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.